Yeah. It's Kid Trill. Turn me up. Alright. Trill, I'm coming up. It's nothing you can do now. Oh wow, flow cold, spitting like a snowplow. February born, so I'm chilling with your hoe now. And at my condo is where everything goes down. I see pussy, time to have a beast. You couldn't find a better me. I'm climbing up the ladder of success and I am fathering the money and the cars and the hoes that I got. Man, this flow that I got is oh so hot. I am burning, look at my flame. Turning up the mic game. I play bitches like Madden, and I don't even like games. Nigga, who are you? You know that I don't even like lames. I'ma have to do you like you fucking up the dice game. I turn bitches straight, you should've seen the way them dice came. First 48, I make a killing with the pipe game. My flows out of the norm, you might not understand me. Your bitch is on my arm, and she's more than eye candy. Hair so long, so straight, so sandy. She hop inside the whip for weekly trips to Miami. Showing her the beaches, she showing me her features. Showing her the room, and then I show her where her peak is. Trill, I'm beastin', carnivore niggas. My money shine bright like it's Armoroid, nigga. And fuck with me and you can lose a armor more, nigga. Wanna be thug, you Jersey Shore nigga. Trill.